Good afternoon, dear students. Pattern using geometric figures. We saw how to create different geometrical shapes using Python graphics. It is possible to create different patterns containing these shapes with the help of the loop statements. Creating a pattern. The pattern is to be formed by rotating a geometric shape at a certain angle and printing it repeatedly. Let's start to draw a pattern using Python program. Open IDLE from Application Programming. Python shell window opened. Open a new file from File menu, New File option. Then enter the program instructions. Observe that the for statement is used as nested loops in the program. We have learned earlier that a for statement is required for drawing a square. The first for loop is used to rotate the square, thus prepared by 60 degrees and print 6 times. The second for loop is codes for drawing square. After entering the program, save the file. Select the Save option from File menu. Save as dialog box appears. Open the destination folder and type a file name with .py extension. Run the program from Run menu, Run module option. The pattern displayed in the Python graphics window. Python code for giving color. The shapes that appear in the Python graphics window normally get black color. But Python Turtle Graphics also has commands to create shapes and patterns in different colors. This can make the patterns more attractive. For this, to make use of the instruction color, edit the same program to add color codes. After editing the changes, save the file from File menu, Save As option. Save As dialog box appears. The destination folder already opened in the Save As dialog box. Type a new file name, then click on Save button. Run the program from Run menu, Run module option. Now the pattern is displayed on the Python graphics window. The pattern is printed in blue color because of the instruction that is newly added. Different colors for each squares. All squares are printed in the same color in the last activity. They can be printed in different colors. In the program, the line CLR equals blue, brown, red, green, orange, purple is newly added. It is a command for collecting 6 colors in the variable CLR. Thereafter, when the loop instruction for I in CLR is executed, it selects all the 6 colors one by one as the value of the variable I, or note the change in the for statement made for this purpose. Later, when the command color I is given, the square gets a different color depending on the value of I. Save the changes from File menu, Save As option. Save As dialog box appears. Type a file name and click on Save button. Then run the program from Run menu, Run module option. Now the pattern printed in the Python graphics window. All the squares are printed in different colors. I hope you understood to draw patterns using loop statement in Python program. This chapter will continue in the next class.